Hello everyone, welcome to this session. So today I'm taking you through how to integrate Dext with QuickBooks Desktop. I'm going to show you the steps how you can connect your client files with the respective QuickBooks Desktop files, and once integrated, how you can review, edit, and publish those cost and sales documents to the respective QuickBooks Desktop client files. So let's log into Dext and take a look at it. So once you log into your Dex application, you will be in your clients page. So this is going to be the first step. We're now trying to create the client account. It's pretty easy to create any client account in Dex. You're going to go to Add Clients tab. You're going to first select the business client option in this scenario, and you're going to give the name of the client. So once you do that, you're going to go through these steps, select all the fields that is required. Once you go through all these steps, and you can easily add the client account. Once a client account is created, you would see the client name appearing in this list. So you're going to look for the account that you just created, and you would know that it is not currently integrated like the other ones which is already connected with QBO and Xero and other applications. So now I'm going to go into my client account and try to integrate this with the respective QBD file. So once I'm in the client account, I'm going to go to Business Settings tab, then Connections, and in this accounting software integration option, I'm going to go into Connect. So now I'm looking for QuickBooks Desktop. Once you hit Connect, this is going to take you to a web page which allows you to download the Dext Connect app, which enables the integration with the local QuickBooks Desktop files you have right now. Before you download the app and install, please go through these prerequisites, especially if you are having your QuickBooks Desktop file installed in a server right now. So you should have administrative access and the relevant versions to install the Dext Connect app. And also make sure once you download the Dext Connect app and installing it to your server or your computer, make sure you install the Connect app to the same location or the same drive where the QuickBooks desktop files are located. So once you hit this, it'll allow you to download the application and run the application easily in your own location. Once you do that, you would see the Dext Connect app icon appearing in your desktop or the location that you installed it. Once you click that, the Dext Connect app will open. So this is the Dext Connect app. Once it's open, it will first ask you to log in. So you're going to key in your normal Dext credentials. And once you do that, you'll be logged into the Dext app. So now we are going to integrate these GSK production files from the Dext Connect app to connect it with the respective QBD file. So I'm going to click integrate in front of GSK productions. Now go to QuickBooks Desktop. Now I'm going to look for my QuickBooks Desktop file. Once you selected the file, you can click integrate and it's going to give you a pop-up inside QuickBooks Desktop that looks very similar to this, and you can get access and give access inside QBD to make the integration. Once you have done that, you can come back into Dext, go for the same company file you have integrated. If you go into business settings now and go into connections, you would see that this file is now connected with QuickBooks Desktop. So once the integration is established like this, now you can go into your cost section, go to cost inbox, and start publishing the documents that you have in your cost section. I'm going to open this receipt I have in here. Now I'm going to review the data Dext has extracted. You can select the category, which is coming from QuickBooks Desktop, or any other fields that is required. Check the values, check the taxes, and you can select if you want to create a bill or if you want to even post it as credit card charge, check, or debit card into QuickBooks Desktop. Once you hit publish, it will push the transaction into QuickBooks Desktop. Same step if you go to sales inbox, once you have your sales invoices inside of Dext, now you can go and review the information we have here, select the customer, the product or service that you're selecting for this specific invoice, and choose to publish into QuickBooks Desktop. So that's how you integrate Dext with QuickBooks Desktop and publish any documents, cost or sales documents that you have in Dext for these client files. Thank you.